Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. First, verify phone volume isn't muted and do not disturb is off. Open Messages, tap the three dots, then Settings. This begins the fix. Once done, go to Android Settings, Apps Messages Notifications to ensure channels are visible. Make sure you have a test contact and a distinct alert tone selected so you can confirm success immediately. You're starting mid-process to avoid delays. Follow the next steps to target notification channels and sounds directly. You'll now change channels. Open Messages Settings Notifications, then tap each channel like Incoming Messages and Group Messages. For each, pick a sound and set importance to high so vibrations and pop-ups work. If a custom tone is missing, choose a system tone to rule out file issues. Once you make changes, clear the Messages app cache via Settings Storage, then force stop and reopen the app so Android reloads settings. This fixes mismatched channel state versus system settings. Finish by sending a test message from another phone or using web SMS to confirm you hear the tone, feel vibration, and see a notification banner. If silence persists, reboot the device, then reopen notification channels and reassign the sound. Sometimes Android needs a restart to apply changes. If that still fails, set a default system notification tone instead of a custom file. This isolates corrupted audio files. Finally, if nothing works, consider updating messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.